So aluminum is considered a key material for decarbonization. With its property of 100% recyclability, production of aluminum is also dependent on electricity, and there is a roadmap for the decarbonization of the grid. Overall, the demand for aluminum is expected to grow by 40% in the next 25 years. So as the world needs more and more aluminum, the supply of scrap is not sufficient to meet that demand. In 2050, it is expected that only 50% of the world's aluminum demand will be met with the scrap or the recycled aluminum. World will still need 50% new aluminum to keep up with the demand. What we have been looking at is a complete life cycle approach to deliver our product, which helps reduce the overall carbon footprint of the building. It's about the embodied carbon of our product, or the embodied carbon of the building, which gets impacted with our product. Operational carbon in terms of how our products perform when they get installed into the building. And then what happens to these at the end of their life, whether they go to landfill or are they able to come back into the economy with their recyclability. We want to design highly energy efficient products, so highly insulating products such as our UT series, to have lower U factor or higher insulating value, as well as make sure that at the end of the life, these products or these materials are able to get back into the economy rather than go into the landfill. You can download one-pager from our website, which guides you on the language around the low-carbon aluminum billet to add into the project specification.